Hello, Math Masters, and welcome back. Name explains. Today we have this, you can say, little bit tricky math problem. Here, the question is 2 to the power 5 minus parentheses 3 times 8 minus 5 plus 2. So try to solve it in 10 seconds. Your time start now. Your time's up. Now we are going to solve this math problem. Here, as you can see, there is a lot of operations. As you can see nested, or you can see multiple steps solutions. So here we will use order operations by using PEMDAS. And as we can see, we can solve for this operation. First, we have to solve this parenthesis part, which is 8 minus 5, and this will give result will be. So we can rewrite our expression as 2 power 5 minus parenthesis 3 times, and this will give result in 3 plus 2. And the next step, we have to multiply this, and we will get 2 power 5, 3 times 3, this will be 9 plus 2. And here we will rewrite 5 minus 9 plus 2, this will be 11. Okay. Now, for the final answer, we have to calculate the value of 2 power 5. This can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So basically, it's 5 times of 2. So here 2 times 2 which equals to 4, and 4 times 2 which equals to 8, and 8 times 2 which equals to 16, and 16 times 2 which equals to 32. So we can write 2 power 5 which equals to 32. So we can simply put 32 on the place of this 2 power 5, and here we will write 32 minus 11, and when we do operation of subtraction, we will get here 21. Okay. So 21 is the right answer for this math problem. And if you want more maths, then subscribe us for more videos. Thanks for watching.